Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to remove the smells from the bowl and lid and the seals, like remove the smells and stains on your THERMOMIX TM7. If you have any smells, especially from cooking curry or some other dishes that may leave some smells on the inside even after cleaning, then I recommend using a lemon. Cut your lemon in half and put it in the mixing bowl. Then also add 2 eggshells and blitz them together. Instead of lemon, you could use 2 tablespoons of citric acid, and instead of eggshells you could use 50 grams of vinegar. If you're using both the citric acid and vinegar, you don't have to blitz it because it's powder and liquid. But if you're using either the lemon or eggshells or both, then you should blitz them by going to the manual mode, then setting it to 3 seconds to the 9th level of speed, and starting it for these 3 seconds. Later add about half a liter up to a liter of water, and now let's reset everything and set it for 10 minutes, 80 degrees Celsius, which is going to be about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and set the speed to number 2. And then after that, remove everything from the inside of the bowl and wipe it off with a paper towel, and then rinse your bowl. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.